Welcome to The Interest. I'm Christine Stewart. Insider Steve Richman will be leading us down the road to riches. And later, our friend Shane Kidwell talks tech. But first, natural disasters in Florida have taken a toll on mortgage financing. Let's hear how the changing climate is impacting loan officers and their partners in the mortgage game.
So we have a lot of buildings that have been impacted by the hurricane, who have got their capital in their hands, have gotten their settlement from the insurer, but they just haven't been able to complete the work that's necessary, or to repair the damage that has been done. And those buildings are completely unwarrantable with residential mortgage financing.
Oris Tomaselli sees firsthand how recent hurricanes have rendered buildings ineligible for loans. The GSEs recently updated their condominium regulations to ensure that building maintenance is not put on the back burner, after structural complications and delayed maintenance led to a condo tower in Miami collapsing in 2021, killing 98 people.
It's time to pay the piper, and it's time to pay for, get these developments up to code, up to standard.
Rates for homeowners insurance and flood insurance have skyrocketed in Florida due to increasing claims following hurricanes. Marcy Downey from Moto Mortgage says MLOs have come to expect insurance companies to stop writing policies when a hurricane is in the forecast.
Make sure that your buyers have their new insurance policies bound and ready to go prior to the halt for insurance policies being written, because that could slow down or make you miss a closing if you don't have the insurance.
New housing developments are being built to higher standards to meet the stricter guidelines.
I would think that that's helping to mitigate, future issues with natural disasters.
Homeowners associations and boards are looking for areas to cut costs, especially since they've had to make necessary updates in order to meet the new standards.
Sometimes when they cut costs or increase their deductibles, that also relegates them to not having mortgage financing available, because they run afoul of the lending guidelines that are out there.
To learn more about the climate impact on residential lending in the state of Florida, visit nationalmortgageprofessional.com. For The Interest, I'm Christine Stewart.
We all dream of owning a home, but for too long, if you didn't fit the mold, you were stuck. Stuck because the system worked for everyone except you. We've changed that. Angel AI uses advanced AI technology to give a 100% trusted solution and fast answers for worry-free financing, allowing you to achieve fair and equal access to lending. Angel AI. AI you can bank on.
So as a part of being a coach and founder at Next Level Loan Officers, I talk to originators all the time. And one thing that I constantly go back to ask them is, what are the top technologies that you could not give up if you were going to have to start over in your mortgage business? And wouldn't you believe it that the number one technology that all originators say they need to have is a high-end smartphone. We laugh about this often, but my friends and I, we are there in line the day the new phone comes out. Not because I care about it as a phone, but because I care about it as a marketing and digital branding dissemination tool. From 4K video to having great lighting, to be able to take blended portrait photos, to being able to integrate everything on your social media platforms. Having a top smartphone, having the best iPhone or the best Android phone is key to making sure that you can leverage technology in 2024 to build a relevant brand.
So you think you're an LO? You're not an LO. You're a CEO of your own brand. You're not just responsible for your production. You're responsible for your image. You're responsible for your communications. You're responsible for your network. You're CEO of your own brand, and you represent that brand 24/7. Think above and beyond just the loans that you're doing, and think about what you want the world to see you as. Be your own CEO.
For more on these and all of today's top stories, go to nationalmortgageprofessional.com.